everyone, this is Dr. Mariam and I welcome everyone on channel Legal One UAE. Today on this live stream we will be speaking about new digital execution procedure for enforcement of execution orders, so it means the judgments. This is a recent news about the possibility for online procedure for all execution orders and execution proceedings inside the country. So today I would like to explain a little bit more in details what to expect from this system, how to operate, how to apply, and what will be what simplicity will be for everyone who has execution orders from the side of the petitioner and from the side of the debtor. So there is a simplicity and useful, helpful possibilities for each attendant. Doesn't matter on which side you are. I want to engage with everyone. If you have any questions, this live stream is for you and you can ask your questions, you can leave your comments inside the chat, and inshallah I will try to reply for everyone at the same time. If we'll not cover some questions, you will be able to send it in the message or on the email of the legal blog legal1uae@gmail.com. All the details will be down the post or this recorded video. Okay, let's start. So the name of the new system is Tanfizi Plus or Execution Plus. This is a digital platform that will allow to submit, so to start execution form online, also to make all possible requests using the system online automatically. Automatically, every request will go to the authorities that are connected to this platform. So it means, for example, the request to the bank, the request to the RTA, for example, or economic department, land department, to all government authorities to search about the assets or some activities of the debtor. We have one question. Can I request to execute my judgment online? Yes. Thank you for your question. This is what I'm talking about right now. Thanks to the new system, you can apply online. You don't need to physically come to the typing center. Everything you can do through your e-pass. We also have a video on the channel related to e-pass and a government video related to using of e-pass that inshallah will be helpful to all. Maybe someone is not using e-pass at the moment. I hope that you will start using it because this should help to speed up the process and to enable the person to make certain requests without a physical going to the department or to the court, etc. Also, the system will allow to make auction, so to sell some assets. For example, let's imagine that the debtor has property, and comparing with the depth of the execution amount, some or all parts should be taken. So the auction will be possible to be proceeded online through this platform again and to receive results. And then after the receiving of the, let's say, paid debt, it will be automatic lifting of the ban on the side of the debtor. So the amount is received, everything is covered, the travel ban will be moved, so lifted, cancelled, and then the petitioner will be able to receive the announcement about the received amount, and also with the help of this system he will be able to receive the money, because the system is connected with the banks as well. So it should cover all the proceedings inside the execution to join together. If any one of you had experience with executing the judgment, definitely you will understand that this system will speed up the process, make it transparent, and make it easier for both parties. Also, one of the most common question and very important topic about lifting of the ban. So the system will allow to implement the ban or, for example, arrest order directly after applying of petition to start the execution, after the search of all the assets, and then the travel ban or arrest warranty, or both together, will come by the system. We have another question: can I remove travel ban online? Yeah, thank you for your question. Yes, you can, as if you are a debtor and you, for example, paid the amount, you found out that you have an execution. How you can find out? You can also do, if the case is related to your name and you are connected with the system, you should receive the notification, and you will be able to find out that you have a travel ban and you have a debt, and if you want to settle it, then you can do it online again, and after receiving of the full amount of debt, the ban will be lifted at the same moment after the money is transferred on the account of the court. Then, if it's transferred on the account of the court, it will also go then to the petitioner who raised the execution, and this money again through the bank will be able to be transferred there. If you have any questions, you can always share it right now during this live stream, and inshallah I will try to answer all the questions. Unfortunately, if some questions will not be covered or it will be pending, you will be able to ask it after this live stream, or send your question, your thoughts, your comments, or in the messages or on the email that is available under every post and in the information on the legal blog. So we are speaking today about new digital system for the execution, which called Tanfizi Plus. And this system is working in the Emirate of Dubai. So if you have any case in other emirate, this topic is not related to you today. However, I'm sure that within short time we will be able to move to see that the system is generated and improved in other emirates as well. We have a question about removing of absconding. Unfortunately, this question is not related to today's topic. I would like to request from you, you can ask your question on the email. If you want to have some reply or some recommendation or some comment in regards to your question, you can share your situation, and inshallah I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, we have videos related to absconding on the channel, and I hope it will be also useful for you. If it not answering your certain situation, please share the details of your question in the message or on the email of the legal blog. I hope that we don't have any more questions. I hope that we can conclude today's subject regarding digital system for enforcement of the judgment. This topic, in my opinion, is very important because in UAE this will help to civil cases, commercial cases. This will help to speed up the process both for petitioner and for the debtor, to solve the issue, to close the execution, to receive the paid amount, or to question the amount if it was for example, absent judgment, and the judgment is unfair in the opinion of the debtor, he will be able to find out about it quickly. He will be able to find out about existence of the travel ban, and not to reach to the situation where he will be arrested, or where he will not be able to cross the country and he will lose some, for example, time, or have losses, or have expenses, etc. So the procedure will be transparent, quickly, and easy for both parties to solve their problem. We have a question from one subscriber. Can I get some information? Please ask your question in the chat box. Before we close this live stream, inshallah, I will try to answer your question. And the other subscriber, just send it in the mail. Inshallah, I will get back to you as soon as possible. So we are concluding the subject about digital system, and in my opinion, it's a very important step. It's a very useful step for all parties in execution. We had a video related to execution like maybe 5 or 6 years ago, and you can see how many questions can appear and can can appear for each party in execution proceedings, because it's a very long and very serious step, and thanks to the digital system it might make it easier and much more helpful for both parties. Thank you for your question, Mr. Ahmed. Is there any update which you are mentioned about the current subject? You mean? Yes, there will be a link. You will be able to follow this link, because the information which I'm talking about is information from the government sources. So we rely only on the information that is shared by the government, and sharing for the all to make it useful and to explain how it can be understood. If you want to ask some certain question, please feel free to share your question in the email. For today, we will be closing this live stream. I hope that this video will be useful for all. And if you have existing execution, or you just reach to the point where you have a judgment and you don't know what to do, I hope inshallah it will be useful for you. You will just need to use a Dubai court system for the execution, and by using your e-pass, and by applying the order on petition and the execution form online. The link will be shared also down of this video in the Instagram, Facebook, and also you can find all the information in YouTube related to Legal One UAE channel. Thank you so much for your attention, for everyone who watched this video or who will be watching the recording of this video. Take care, stay safe, goodbye.